blessing, and we very much look forward to anything you'd like to share with us. J. Gurudev, great gratitude to you for your whole life's work and the example that you set for every human being on earth.
Embodiment of Divine Souls, Amma's most beloved sweet children, welcome all of you. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. I am not new to you, you are not new to me. We are all of us one only. I love you like anything, billions and gazillions of times. Meditation, what a great word, no? Ancient Bharat, Vedic Rishis, their breath is tapas, meditation. With meditation only, they did incredible things in the world, very time immemorial in Bharat. Maharshi, His Holiness Maharshi Yogi, brought Sanatana Dharma values to the modern civilization into this country. And he brought the ancient, all the beautiful dharmas, Vedic university here, Vedic science, and we have been to go to the beautiful, in Bharat we have only two areas, one is in Delhi, another is the Jaipur. He brought all those things here, amazing works he did, amazing works. And all the commitment of your commitment is incredible. We saw in Ramayana, all of you know we have Ramayana, you have one page and every day you are reading that also in your homes, no? In Ramayana, Sabari was waiting and waiting for Rama. Like that all of you are for Maharshi, committed like that. All of you are like Sabari for my Maharshi Mahesh Yogi. So dedicated people. In this age or yesterday he came 9 hours driving. He came just from Europe, jet lag. But Gurudev work, no, he can try. You want to sun fly to the sky also, he can jump to sky also. that commitment I felt in all of you. I love you so much, no? It is so beautiful. That's why I want to work with you together. What we need for the universal peace. So we have All India Bharat Vedic Brahmin community is with us, working with us. They love me so much. They, whatever I say, they listen to me. So we want all India Bharat Vedic Pandits and all the Brahmin community work for this noble cause too. We saw how crime rate comes down, how the accidents, how many things are going to subside by meditation power, including with the Vedic recitations and also meditations and the flying program. So all the time, Hardwood is speaking that only. Raja Louis was speaking only that. Everybody is speaking only that. The second thought is not in your heart. Only this thought. Gurudev thought only in your heart. No second thought. What a great commitment, no? Gurudev is alive in all of your hearts, children. Now, there is no death for God, Gurus. Guru is all pervading. Guru Charanam, Sakala Charachara Vyapaka Charanam. Guru is all pervading. Guru Sakshat Param Brahmano. So I was so melted to see all of your commitments. What a great commitment in the Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga, this is Kali Yuga. How much is outside disturbances? Crime and human trafficking and so much crime rate, wars on one side people are thinking about Guru and what Guru says, you never go beyond a single inch also beyond that feelings of the Guru. What a beautiful commitment. What else we need for this? No. I melted so much to see you. No one. Thank you, children, for this wonderful. Let all of us work for the universal peace together to bring more happiness to the world, joy to the world. World is suffering a lot. Meditation is incredible. Medicine for so many diseases, external, mental, physical, innumerable levels. Not only that, even for the nature, for the Mother Earth, for trees, for animals, birds, reptiles, oceans, rivers, cosmos, everything is going to get healing by meditation power. That is the meditation power. Let all of us have to work together on this noble cause of meditation to bring more peace on this world and solace to the world for all of people who is suffering in the entire creation. Nobody must not leave behind. We have to hold everybody's hand, travel in the path of truth to get peace and solace for all the living beings. So that is the motivation in all of our hearts. I promise to all of you, work with all of you together to bring more peace and solace on your work. So I don't think I'm a separate person from you. I'm one of with you. So that is the feeling I gave to you. We have a Rigvedic Pandit here, so Dr. Parthasarathi Garu Ghanapati. Ghana is even the first person of Bharat who is the president and prime ministers also have to Ghanapati. Ghana means Vedam completely, they by heart from the childhood onwards and until they comes outside. It is the triple PhD of Vedam. So who have the Ganapati, people have bowed down in front of them and respect them like anything, even including with our Bharat, the president of our country, prime minister of our country, they have to respect so much. So political and all the things are separate, but Veda, Sanatana Dharma, meditation, spirituality is separate. So total Bharat is, where is it? In the hand of Vedam. Where is Vedam? In the hand of the Pandits. Vedam is not in all the people's hand. It is with the Pandits only. We need the Pandits. All the Pandits are Amma's beloved children. So total Bharat Pandits are Amma's beloved children. With the All India Bharat Vedic Society was my beloved children. So we have to bring all of us together. So many years we discuss with some of our children. We need our modern scientists one side and the Vedic scientists one side. Both together, work together, bring more peace and solace in the world. To do researches also. Lot of things have to be researched. One of the things is discussed in the Vedam. Sky is all the time, each second expanded 18 kilometers. Sky is each second expanded 18 kilometers. What is this? We have to do researches on this. So many subjects are like this. Closer to the Ramayana time, Rama and all the Vanaras went to Sri Lanka. They have to drink some water. But ocean is there. How to drink water? Ocean water, more water in the ocean, but we cannot drink the salty water. But Vanaras have to drink water. So in Rameshwaram area, closer to the next to only ocean. Ocean is this one, this is Rameshwaram. In Rameshwaram, there are 24 wells they dig. In 24 wells water is sweet water. And this is ocean, this is wells. How can we get sweet water in the wells next to the ocean? What kind of technology they used at that time? There is some technology they used. So our Vedic researchers are doing the researches on that and they have so many questions. Sometimes they're asking me, Mother, what is this? Son, they're using at that time the technology. Engineers are Anila, Gavaya, Gavaksha. These are the engineers at that time. and they put some 8 metal rods inside the wells, and the 8 metal rods are, with the combination of the salt water will become sweet water. This is what I understand. So we have to do so many researches like that. We have right now artificial intelligence. I was little bit unhappy with artificial intelligence. Somewhere it is okay, something, but something it is not okay. For example, we want to build a mega constructions, bridges, how to do the bridge, what kind of bridges built before itself, what kind of technology they did. We have to go to that technology and see that and how the construction, what are the lapses there. We can identify, and then we have to give a beautiful, good presentation later. So everything is already designed there, and in artificial technology is going to give some new ideas what we did already. But in future, people are not able to think and forget to think about anything also. Our brains are not able to go into work for future. What Maharshi says, mainly for meditation, creativity is a beautiful word, Srujanatmakata in Sanskrit. Creativity. Creativity means Srujanatmakata. Srujanatmakata comes from meditation only. When you sit examination time, we are doing the mathematical exam. Sometimes how much we are working on the maths not comes. We sit quietly 2 minutes later, we get the maths. We finish the mathematics. Similarly, the 2 minutes time, the silence time, we get some creativity. So that silence portion is very important. That's why meditation gives you creativity. If the artificial intelligence activities comes more in the world, people never going to think in future. Already values and so many bondages are disappear in the society. Now we saw the bondage, the love, affection towards each of you. It is not in the society. So dry. Feelings are disappeared. We need to bring all these things back with a lot of feelings, love, affection, bondages are very valuable. All the things are very valuable. Science is important. So meditation is beyond all of these things. So that's why we have to prove all these wonderful things for the future generations, to bring them what kind of happiness comes in sadhana, in meditation, in silence. People have to grow more and more in silence. Right now, this year is 6 planets alignment. The 6 planets alignment completely affect on the brain system. Brain chemistry change like anything. So much crime comes right now. This is right time to all of you have to meditate more and more. More and more meditations I'm expecting from all of you. Giving send a message, meditate. So let the crime have to, Israel wars and all the Ukraine wars, and let the wars have to subside. No more wars in the world. Blue planet is so beautiful. People are beautiful. Beautiful souls on our Mother Earth. So everything is beautiful. Some people are spoiling all this peace on the Mother Earth. So we have to subside the crime rate, accidents rate, unhappiness, sorrow, agriculture. Completely we need the agriculture, good agriculture, not the what Maharshi was so many years before. He was against immediately GM seeds. I cooperate with him. GM seeds are doing so much disaster in the Mother Earth. It's not at all good. So we have to bring all the good things into the society. More and more researches we need, more peace, more zeal, more creativity, all the things we need for the future generations. Future youth is the wealth of the world. We have to bring more youth people. All of you are behind them. and give motivation to them. Society is sometimes demotivated by the external forces of the finances, jobs. This year, 100,000 people suddenly lay off from the jobs. People remain in confusion. People have how to take care of their children. Lot of problems. This is the right time to do all of us meditations to bring me more peace and solace in the human race. I really so thankful for my beloved children who is doing all these years a great work for the universal peace and universal progress. I encourage you again and again, do more and more things what you are already doing, not necessary to change anything, growing that more and more. That's Amma's inspiration to you again, and let all of us work together to bring more peace and solace to the entire mankind. Thank you so much for this wonderful time to be spent with my children. I am very grateful for my sons, and thank you so much. Thank you so much.